guys, Betty here with Carblessly delicious low carb recipes. With Thanksgiving soon approaching, I know you guys are super excited to congregate together with your family and friends around the dinner table. So you're probably planning out all of your meals for the holiday. And this can be very challenging to stay on track during times like this. And this is why I'm so excited to announce my 5-part series for this upcoming Thanksgiving so that you can eat healthy during the holidays and stay on track. That's right, guys. We are going to transform the top 5 traditional dishes that are usually served during Thanksgiving, but we are going to make each of these dishes absolutely carblessly delicious. That's right. We are going to take our candied yams and substitute it with delicious butternut squash, and I tell you, you will not know the difference, honey. And then we're gonna take our cornbread stuffing, yes, homemade cornbread, so that it's low carb, gluten free, and ready for your holiday. And then you can't forget the potato salad, but we're gonna do ours without the potatoes. We're gonna substitute the potatoes with cauliflower, and then of course cranberry sauce. Thanksgiving just ain't Thanksgiving without the cranberry sauce. So we're gonna make ours from scratch because Ocean Spray and all of the other brands on the shelf are not gonna give you sugar-free, low-carb cranberry sauce. So we're gonna kick the can to the curb and make our own for this holiday so that we can stay on track. And of course, our cheesy macaroni and cheese. Gotta have it. Yes, each episode will feature one of the 5 dishes and posted every day of this upcoming week, Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. So make sure you are subscribed and your notification bell is turned on so you won't miss out on any of these videos in this 5-part series. We have so much to be thankful for, guys. And foremost, I thank God for divine health, celebrating each of you, praying above all things that you will continue to prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. I will be seeing you soon.